Hi everybody, this is Odd Samurai. Today I'm going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man chapter 228. So, last time, okay, well, you know, Denji fought and ate what seemed to be the Locust Devil. Asa was there for a little bit and helped him out, giving him the arm that he'd lost. And it's kinda when Denji says taste like shrimp, and we all know that Asa doesn't like seafood, and yet she still smiles because she can see that Denji's fine for right now, even if she's sweating a little bit. But then Yoru comes back and just spams bang like 3 times. And that's where we left off, with Denji just lying on the ground, missing all of his extremities as Yoru is about to shoot one last time, it seems. So, I saw a tweet about a theory that maybe Locust Devil was being controlled by a hair worm parasite. That's why Locust was near water, why its head still like hanging off like that at the beginning of the chapter. And that could be related to the parasite. And Denji ate the head, so that could make him vomit next chapter, and that would bring out more devils inside his stomach. But you never know. As for the pigeons in like the penultimate page, I was like, what could the symbolism be? And I saw someone point out that there were pigeons right before Yuko died. So that's not good. But I searched up what they could mean, and I was like, okay, love and fidelity, that doesn't really fit with what's happening. Peace and spirituality, definitely not peaceful here. Prosperity and protection, maybe. Maybe Denji will prosper and he'll be protected. Resilience and adaptability, that could also be something that could be useful. As common urban birds, they represent adaptability, persistence, and the ability to thrive in harsh environments. Yeah, that's encouraging. And transformation. They can represent a transformation or escape from danger. Now that's the one that I'm like, ooh. That's definitely something that I want the pigeons to represent. So Denji, he'll be, he'll prosper, he'll be resilient, and transform in the face of this very big danger. So we'll see what happens. Let's get to 28. Title, Dove. See, what did I tell you? Also, I thought they were pigeons. Well, I guess, is a dove the same as a pigeon? They're essentially the same. Gotcha. Okay, so I was not wrong on hyper focusing on the freaking birds there. Oh, I feel proud of myself. Oh yeah, the first panel, interestingly enough though, because of the shade, they look all black, as if they were crows, but they're not. So that's interesting. Crows always are in this series related to the horseman, which I mean makes sense. Yoru is here, but but they're dopes. A dope that looks like a crow. Okay, so there's the leg that Denji's missing. I mean, he's missing both of them, but yeah. Right now, he just looks like, a head and abdomen. Next page. And Denji uh, is not looking too good. We see Yoru looking down at him. He kind of like, oh, okay. Chains come out of the stump from his arm. He uses it to grab like a traffic sign, to pull himself up or away, up and away from Yoru. And she just watches. She looks bored, but she's letting it happen. And Denji's actually, yeah, just leaving as his chains are retracting towards where he hooked them to. And Yoru is chasing him with the chainsaw motorcycle that she made. Freaking thief. Denji is passing through a bystander, or rather next to a bystander, and Yoru just cuts him in half with the motorcycle. That's unfortunate. Oof. Denji gets stopped by rubble, it seems like. He looks back. The chainsaw motorcycle still after him. Oh, he is revving his engine with his mouth. Okay. The motorcycle speeds up. Oh, it seems like he regenerated an arm. That's good. I need blood. Yes, you do. We get a panel just Yoru just, going towards him. Oh, he got, okay, an arm going inside his mouth. I'm guessing to pull a devil or a little totem pone. I gotta zoom in on Yoru's face. Oh, he made himself vomit. Gotcha. I'll tear you to shreds. Okay. We get to see Denji. I don't know what to make of this expression. He seems excited, So what came out of him? Oh, dope. Like actually a dope or like a dope devil? Oh. A flashback panel to Bucky. Yoru seems affected by that. That's interesting. But why? Like, yeah, she knew what happened to Bucky because of Asa's memories, but she wasn't there when Asa accidentally killed Bucky, so yeah. Whoa. She actually veered off from going towards Denji. I'm guessing to not kill the dope? But why? Even the expression on her face, she almost looks scared of doing that. I mean, when we first see Yoru, like in devil form, she, it's I don't know what type of bird she could be. She kind of looked like an owl. So it's like, okay. Um, she feels a kinship to bird devils. I don't know. Okay, she fell off the bike. She hit herself against the side of a building. Now the dove is flying away. And she cracked her head with a bunch of blood leaking out of it. Just 3 panels of the blood as she's lying down. Why so much attention to that? Oh, why won't this wound heal? That's a good ass question. You're right, yeah. This past few chapters, she's been regenerating like almost instantly. But yet, yeah, the blood just keeps on pooling. Huh. The wording of your contract specifies that the Americans will shoulder attacks against you, doesn't it? Right. Right, but then she didn't attack her. She did that to herself. But then I guess when Asa used a bang against herself slash Yoru, that was an attack, from Asa. Yeah, okay. When you crash your motorcycle into the school, those injuries didn't heal up. That means the Americans won't help you if you hurt yourself. Okay. That's a neat discovery. Wait, what if this really is it for Yoru? This is how she goes out just because she hurt herself? But why did she avoid trying to hurt the dove? Oh, as Yoru's still bleeding out, Asa is, metaphorically looking down at her. Why? Why did you avoid that dove? And that's what I'm asking. Last page. 2 panels of just Yoru looking like she's about to pass out. But almost like, I don't know what that emotion could be. Because you hate it when birds are killed. She did it for Asa? What is wrong with her? She's done so many things that Asa hates. And this is the one thing that she couldn't get herself to do? Yeah. Just when I thought I understood Yoru, I'm just being thrown on a loop here. Because you hate it when birds are killed. That's definitely one way to end the chapter. Just leaving me with my own thoughts, being like, what? Like, I'm still confused, just not about the same thing. Like, Asa hates how much Yoru has killed and made innocent people suffer ever since the aging devil arc. And Yoru 100% knows it, and yet she still keeps doing it. But this, she's just like, that's the one line I won't cross. I'm definitely uh, a bit of a loss of words here. I'm not even like like I don't think this is like trying to go for uh you know an attempt to make Yoru look sympathetic. I'm just like, what? And like I don't think she's lying either. I think she's being 100% genuine, which just confuses me even more. But I think this would, hmm, I don't know how I would feel like Yoru's defeat being because uh we found the one thing that she won't use to hurt Asa. I'm definitely gonna have to like think about this one and sleep on it throughout the week because yeah, I'm just a bit of a loss here. And like I really doubt Denji knew that. So that was just a coincidence that a dope came out. But this was how we found out. But Denji, at least it seems to me that he realized that if Yoru afflicts self damage to herself, then then her contract will be ineffective. But yeah, I I don't know. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to see what other people are thinking to piece this one together because I'm just like, huh? I feel like I've gotten good at getting the way that Yoru thinks, but yeah, this I'm just like, but why do you care? Of all things, why is this the one thing that you respect? I the only thing I can think of is that Yoru sees herself as the bird, but I don't I don't know where to go from there. Hmm. I don't yeah. I'm just really like trying to like think of past chapters in regards to like Yoru and Asa with birds. And like back in the time when Asa and Yoru got along. But yeah, we've never seen Yoru do something specifically this. Like this is the first time that Yoru has basically said, because Asa hates when birds are killed, then I won't do it. And it's not like, oh, because if I do it, then she'll take over because she'll be too scared. Because she's never cared about that before. She still does whatever the hell she wants. I don't know. I don't know. I'll, I'll think about it. If you have better thoughts than me about this, you leave it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this reaction, then leave the like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.